Today I'm going to be showing you how to create your account within Edmodo.com. Edmodo is the user software internet web-based system that I use to send out homework reminders. We'll take quizzes and tests in it sometimes, as well as I upload our class information to this site. It's available on any device that accesses the internet, as well as through the iPhone and Android apps you can download to your iPad or your tablet or your cell phone. The first thing you need to do is you need to go to edmodo.com. Here it has little extra pieces, but if you see that I take that part off, then you have just www.edmodo.com, and it'll take you to a screen that says sign in to Edmodo. Now you're going to click I'm a student, or your parents can click I am a parent. I'm going to go in as a student. So you click I'm a student, and then from my class website, which can be found at this very long Franklin County Google site web address, or by looking on your syllabus or scanning the QR code on the Tech Tools page, you come to the home page and you see Edmodo sign up information can be found under Technology Tools here at the bottom. Click on it and you scroll down to whether you're in first period, third period, fourth period, or if it's next semester, whichever class you find the appropriate class that you're in. I'm going to go in and I'm going to pretend that I am a first period student. So you see it says enter group code and then NINXCN. I'm going to go back to Edmodo and type that in. So NINXCN. Now, please pay attention to this part in particular. This group code only accesses your particular class. So if you're not in my fall 2014 first period, then that's not the code you're going to enter. So for fall 14, you're going to have these three. If this is a different semester and we're watching this video again, your information will be reflected still on the same page. So it check marks green that we have a correct group code. The next thing is your username. I want you guys, if at all possible, to enter your Franklin County Public Schools username that you log into the computer with at school. For everyone, it should be something along the lines of your last name, your first initial, and your middle initial. Now, some of you know that you have alternate Franklin County systems, and not everyone will get a green check. If you get a red X, you're going to have to start modifying this username in order to get access. So for instance, if I didn't have a green check, I could be Audrey, I could be Audrey Fizer, you could switch it, but you're going to need to know what this is. Then you're going to need to enter a password. I don't know exactly what the Edmodo password regulations are. Here's the most important thing. You need to know your password. So the minute that you get it typed in and approved, you need to write your password down. I do have access to reset student passwords. However, I can only do that sort of when you're standing right in front of me. So I'm not going to be able to do that when you're getting to it at home. Write your passwords down all the time. Here under email, it says your email is optional. I don't want your email to be optional. I want you to set it up with access to your Franklin County Public Schools email. Everyone has one. We're going to be using them in class. It's the way I'm going to accept work from you. So your email is, again, a student email would be your student login at fcpsstudent.us. Now, because I'm not a student, that's not my email address, so I'm going to have to change it. But that is not correct for me, so I'm going to leave that blank. Then you put in your first name, you put in your last name. If you're one of those people that goes by your middle name, use your middle name. You agree to the terms of service, and you click sign up. Once you're in, you're going to get to a screen like this, and all of your posts will be labeled in here. There's a parent code, so if you're a parent, you can get into your access this way. One final thing that I'm going to show you is how to access your text alerts and your email alerts. So in the top right-hand corner, you have a little person figure with an arrow down, and you can edit your profile and things like that. So if you click on your profile, you have where you can add in quotes and information about yourself. You can add a picture if you'd like. When you click on progress, this is where any grades that we do inside Edmodo will show up. You click on activity and it'll show some of the things that you've done. So that is information for your profile. Feel free to fill it out if you'd like. You can follow the little steps to improve your profile. For the next piece, I want you to click on your account again and click on settings. And again, here's where you can add in some more information. Email and text updates. This is what I want you to click. I want you to put your update onto, because I didn't add in an email address, I don't have that option, you will. You can also click text message. You type in your phone number, you select your carrier from the list, and then I want you to check all these little boxes. What this does is it sends you everything that I post, you get a text message about immediately. I schedule them out, and so you can get them through when you get home and you're not getting text messages in school. When you click Save Updates, it gives you a code to enter into your phone. Password is where you can go to change your password. Applications we probably will not use, so you can ignore that. So, back to your home page. This is where you'll find our information for our class. If you have any questions, send me an email, send me a tweet, send me a message in Edmodo. You do that by typing whatever you'd like to say, and then when you click send to, there I am. You would also obviously want to click Mrs. Audrey Fizer, not Audrey Fizer pretending to be a student in a class. So you just hit send, and I get it immediately. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have questions.